Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about a new lesson which is measuring weight. Units of measuring weight. Gram. To measure light things as the weight of a paper clip, the weight of a ring, the weight of a pencil. Kilogram. To measure heavy things as the weight of fruits, the weight of human body, the weight of animals. The weight is measured by using a balance scale with different folds. Note how to convert from kilogram to gram by multiplying by 1000 and how to convert from gram to kilogram by dividing by 1000. From the greatest to smallest we multiply, from the smallest to the greatest we divide. We have to know that 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams, half kilogram equals 500 grams, quarter kilogram equals 250 grams. Complete. A. 6 kilograms equals 6 times dots equals dots gram. To convert from kilogram to gram we multiply by 1000. So my answer is 6,000 grams. Number B. 5 kilograms and 750 grams equals dots grams. I can't add two different units. I have to convert the kilogram to be gram. So the 5 kilograms it will be 5,000 grams. Now I can say 5,000 plus 750 equals 5,750 grams. 25 kilograms equals 25 times dots equals dots grams. To convert from kilogram to gram, I multiply by 1000. So my answer is 25,000 kilograms. Number D. 2000 grams equals 2000 divided by dots equals dots grams. To convert from grams to kilograms, I divide by 1000, so my answer is 2 kilograms. Put smaller, greater, or equal. 8 kilograms, the other side is 1008 grams. I can't compare between two different units. I have to convert the kilogram to be gram. So 8 kilogram is 8,000 grams. The other side is 1008 grams. Which one is the greater? 1008 grams. 5,575 grams. The other side is 5 kilograms and half gram. I can't compare between two different units. I have to convert the kilogram to be gram. So 5 kilograms it will be 5,000 and half is 500. So the two sides is 5,575 grams. The other side is 5,500 grams. Which one is the greater? 5,575 grams is the greater. Half kilogram plus 75 grams. The other side is 1 kilogram. Which one is the greater? I can't compare between two different units. I have to convert the kilogram to be gram. Half kilogram is 500 plus 75 equals 575 grams, and 1 kilogram it will be 1000 grams. Which one is the greater? 1000 grams. 11,000 grams, the other side is 11 kilograms. I can't compare between two different units. I have to convert the kilogram to be gram. So when I multiply 11 kilograms by 1000, it will be 11,000. So my two sides are equal. Arrange the following in a descending order. Descending means from the greatest to the smallest. 2.5 kilograms, 2 and 5 grams, 2 and 3/4 kilograms, 25,500 grams. I can't arrange those numbers. I have to convert all the units to be grams. So 2.5 kilograms, it will be 2,500 grams, and 2 and 3/4 kilograms, it will be 2,750 grams. Now it's easy to arrange the numbers. The first one is 25,500 grams, then 2,750 grams, then 2,500 grams. The last one is 205 grams. Thank you.